To set the clock, simply press the clock AM/PM button once in order to set AM time, and press it again in order to set PM time. Then you simply enter the current time and confirm by hitting the clock button. For very fast cooking, simply press the Add 30 seconds button. Press it once and the microwave will start automatically and will run for 30 seconds. If you press it again and again, it will always add 30 seconds. Stop the program by hitting the stop button. Another fast way of using the microwave is simply by pressing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 button. It'll then run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 minutes. Stop the program by pressing the stop button. In order to use the microwave for a certain amount of time, press Time Cook. You can now enter the amount of minutes you'd like the microwave to run. For example, press 1, 0, 0, 0 for 10 minutes. You can now hit Start for the program to start right away. Or you can adjust the power level by hitting the power button. PL10 stands for power level 100%. In order to change it to 50%, press 5. In order to change it to 8, press 8, and any number between 1 and 9. In order to start the program, simply press Start. In order to stop the program, press Stop. The microwave allows for cooking with 2 different stages. For example, you first cook food with 100% microwave power for 10 minutes and then cook food with 80% microwave power for 50 minutes. You do that by pressing Time Cook, enter whatever time you'd like, in this case 10 minutes. You then hit the power button, you select 10 minutes. You then press Time Cook again and say 8 minutes. And you then hit the power button again, say 8, and you hit Start. The microwave will now run for 18 minutes with 2 different stages. To defrost something by weight, press the Defrost Auto Time button once. You now have to enter how many pounds the food weighs that you'd like to defrost. In this case, I'll enter 6 pounds. You then hit the Start button. To defrost something by time, hit the Defrost Auto Time button twice. You then enter the amount of minutes you'd like to defrost your food. Then hit Start. If half the defrost time passes, the buzzer will sound twice to remind you to turn the food over. To make popcorn, hit the popcorn button. If you press it once, it'll heat up approximately 1.75 ounces. If you press it twice, it'll make approximately 3 ounces. If you press it 3 times, you'll heat up 3.5 ounces of popcorn. Once you've selected the desired weight, press Start. This microwave allows you to cook a baked potato. Press the baked potato button. If you press it once, it'll cook a baked potato that weighs approximately 7.1 ounces. If you press it twice, it'll bake a baked potato that weighs approximately 14.2 ounces. And 3 times for 21.3 ounces. Press the Start button. If you like to heat up a beverage that is approximately 8.8 liquid ounces, hit the beverage button once and then select Start. If your beverage is approximately 17.6 liquid ounces, press the beverage button again. or press it 3 times for a beverage that is approximately 26.4 liquid ounces. Then hit start. If you'd like to reheat your food that weighs approximately 8 ounces, hit the reheat button once. Hit it twice if your food weighs approximately 16 ounces, or 3 times if your food weighs approximately 24 ounces. Hit start to begin the process. During any cooking function, you can check the power level by hitting the power button. You can then change it by pressing the number you'd like to have. During any microwave cooking function, you can change the power level. Simply hit the power button and change the power level. You can also, during any cooking function, press the clock button in order to check the current time. In order to lock your display, hit the stop clear button for 3 seconds. In order to unlock it again, press and hold the stop and clear button for 3 seconds. To set the timer, hit the timer button once. You then enter the desired time, and you confirm by hitting the timer button. In order to cancel the timer, hit the timer button once. Your over-the-range microwave is equipped with a hood fan. To turn it on and off, press the vent fan high, low, off button. Press it once, it'll go to high. Press it twice, it'll go to low. And if you press it 3 times, it'll turn off. The OTR has lights at the bottom of the unit. To turn them on and off, simply hit the on and off button for the lights.